In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep OneDrive files online only. If you want to save disk space and make sure you're always working from the most up-to-date version of a file, the simplest approach is to open it directly from the cloud instead of downloading it. I'll walk you through a quick, reliable way to do that using OneDrive on Windows, and I'll point out what you'll see along the way so everything feels straightforward. Start on your desktop, then look toward the lower right corner of your screen in the taskbar's notification area. That's where the OneDrive cloud icon lives. It may appear as a white or blue cloud depending on your account type and theme. Click that cloud to bring up the OneDrive panel. This panel is your quick control center, and it's the fastest way to jump straight into your OneDrive files without hunting around. In the panel, choose Open Folder. This opens your OneDrive location in File Explorer. Here, you're browsing files that are synced with the cloud. You might notice a status column showing icons such as a cloud, online only, a green check, available on this device, or a solid green circle, always available. Those icons help you understand whether a file lives only in the cloud or is stored locally as well. Next, select the file you want to keep online. The goal is to interact with it in the cloud so your device doesn't download a local copy unnecessarily. Right-click the file to bring up its context menu. On some versions of Windows, especially Windows 11, you'll see a condensed menu first. Choose Show More Options to expand to the classic menu with the full set of OneDrive commands. From that expanded menu, click View Online. Your default web browser will open directly to the file or its folder in OneDrive on the web. From there, you can preview, edit incompatible web apps, share securely, and manage permissions, everything you need, all while keeping the file in the cloud. Because you opened it online, Windows doesn't create a local copy just to view it, which helps preserve storage and maintain an online-only setup. That's the entire process. Open the OneDrive panel, go to your OneDrive folder, pick the file, right-click, show more options, and choose View Online. If you repeat this habit whenever you need to review or share a file, you'll naturally avoid downloading it to your device. One last note, layouts and wording can vary slightly depending on your Windows version and organizational settings, but the View Online action works the same. Thanks for watching, and enjoy keeping your OneDrive files lean, clean, and in the cloud.